Hello friends, welcome to our channel Castor Classes, and in my this particular video I am going to discuss three very important operations on dictionary data structure in Python. Okay, so first of all let me create one dictionary. Suppose E equal to one empty dictionary we have defined. Suppose for the key first key is integer. Okay, suppose 1. Okay, for that I am storing hello good morning. Okay, then for the second key, suppose I am storing welcome to Python, and for the third key, we are learning dictionary. Okay, so if I run the code, if I want to print, I will be simply writing E. I will be getting for one hello good morning, for second one welcome to Python, for third one we are learning dictionary. Okay, now see how many key value pair are present in this particular dictionary? 3, right? So you want to get how many key value pairs. What you can do, you need to simply write length of it, like length of this list, length of this string we have seen. Similarly, using length here also you can get the number of key value pairs present in the dictionary, or number of elements in the dictionary. Okay, now suppose you want to get the keys of the dictionary. Okay, because each time we want to extract a particular value of a key, we require that particular key, right? Suppose I want to get the value corresponding to the key 1, so I require this particular key which is 1. I'll be passing like this E of 1, I'll be getting hello good morning. If I pass E of 3, I'll be getting we are learning dictionary. Okay, that is the value corresponding to the key 3, right? So it is very important to have all the keys. Now suppose I am giving you one dictionary for which the keys you don't know. How you can get the keys? Very simple. Suppose I am defining one empty list here, and then I will traverse in the dictionary. Okay, so for I in E colon, okay, rs dot append I am just doing like this. What will happen? This I, each time it will take the keys only. Okay, not values. It will each time take the key as value corresponding to I, and it will append in our list rs. Okay, if I run the code, you can clearly understand. I have just run the code, and if I print rs, I will be getting 1, 2, 3s. That is, keys are stored in list rs. Okay, you want to get the values also. What you can do here, suppose I am writing value equal to one empty list, and then here we can write value dot append rs, sorry, that is our original dictionary is e of I, because I is getting the keys part, right? If I run the code, so now if I write value, I will be getting the value part, which is basically string. Hello good morning is 1, welcome to Python is 1, we are learning dictionary is another, and here in rs our keys only are stored 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is how we can traverse in the dictionary using for loop and extract the keys and values, okay, separately. Now membership operation also I have discussed in previous videos. Like in case of list, we know that in, and there is one more, that is not in we use. So here also in dictionary also in and not in present. Let us check how it works. Okay, so what is our dictionary? This is our dictionary E, right? Now using in, you can check whether a particular key is present in our dictionary or not. Okay, like I am writing 4 in E, I will be getting false, because 4 is not present as a key in our dictionary. Okay, I am writing 3 in E, I will be getting true. Okay, so in will basically return me true if the particular key is present in the dictionary, else it will return false. And just the reverse thing is not in. Not in will return true if the particular key is not present in the dictionary, and not in will return false if the particular key is present in the dictionary. Like here 3 as a key, it is present in the dictionary, so it will return false. Okay, I am writing suppose 5 not in E, 5 is not present, so it will return me true, right? So this is what I wanted to show you. Very important operation and widely used in competitive programming. These concepts I will show you later using problems. Okay, so we have studied how to get the length of the dictionary, how to traverse in a dictionary, extract the keys, extract the values, and apart from that we have also seen how to check a particular key is a member of our dictionary or not. Okay, I hope you have understood this concept. This is all for my this video. If you find this video helpful, please like, share and comment, and if you have not subscribed our channel till now, don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon to get the notification of our latest videos. Thank you for watching.